What is up, guys? It's Nick B here, and today we are doing a playback of June. Which one are we doing? June 16th. We did some playbacks on the 17th and the 18th, and I think we're successful on both. But I did that at work, so I wasn't able to record. I did do some Instagram, stories, and added them to the highlights and stuff. Oh yeah, check this date, and the day before this date is the day that I upload the Instagram. So, but Instagram doesn't really tell you when. But a couple of weeks ago, and it was in talked about it. I probably just yeah. Can I put my Instagram here? Forgot to do it. Zoom. Okay, whatever. Alright, we're here. Let's see if we can get some desktop audio. Let's put that up here, I think. Test bottom trend. Oh, wait, we could just, do this. This is what I posted this. Good move of swing low, first entry, second entry, buy. This is just bouncing off there, so overall trend is going to be down. Swing high, first entry, and a buy right there. So you have a trend here, scattered low, so overall trend is going to be down, especially since you bounce off of there. This is not a cliche two-legged move of swing low, first entry, second entry, buy. This is just bouncing off there, so overall trend is going to be down. Swing high, first entry, and a buy right there. This is at work. Let's see, it's on my laptop. So let's pause this real quick. So one leg is up, right? We got strong leg up. Two scattered highs. No indication of a reversal. These are scattered highs. You didn't test that high, you didn't test that high or that high. So you didn't test any of those, and it's just one leg up. And now you're suspecting two legs after the two-legged correction here, and so trend is still up. Swing high, first entry, second entry, non-obvious sell, and or non-obvious entry, and then would have been the scalp. Take a look at this. A trend is down. Now this one was pretty good as well. We hit this low. Then you get this cliche second entry, but it's not a cliche second entry because that low hit the other side already. Usually it's like this, then up, then down, then it tested there. So this is just a downtrend because we hit that high. No indication of a cliche second entry, so we don't sell. So we hit that high, overall trend is down, go for the buy, and that's the scalp. Let's go. I think that's it. Might happen. This might happen again sometime in the future, and could have something wrong. But as right now, drawing that trends, we noticed that drawing the trends out have been super helpful. Yeah, let's go ahead and trade this day now. And we're gonna go ahead and start trying to trade at 8:30. Just hopefully our strat works, or hopefully we stick to our strat like we've been trying to. Let's see. This is gonna move, and it moves, and it moves, and it moves. Oh wait, we're on the wrong workspace here. Oh, it's supposed to be on the test. I noticed the bars looked very not like this. I'm gonna have to reload this. Alright, we kind of had a second entry here. I didn't take it. Good thing we didn't, because I think we would have gone for a sell maybe. Oh yeah, so all that's the day before. So this is all the data we would have. We had this high and that high. Unless we saw a downtrend, then maybe we could have went for the buy. Ooh, that rhymed. I wish I could do that all the time. But unfortunately, we didn't have that data here. So let's see. Just not enough data to go off of. I think that's why we don't like trading at 8:30. But yeah, the buy there is the best play. But then again, I didn't like the setup. But we do have a swing low first entry. Let's go ahead and take a position. I think overall trend just up. We might have a trend there and we might have broken it. Unless it could potentially be like this, bouncing off there. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt that we just did that. So overall trend is down now. So we're gonna go for a buy. Right there, 3.5 points out. Alright, let's say we tested that. Let's hope we tested that. And hope it wasn't a break. Ooh. Now hopefully we get a break here. Nice, mate. Let's go. So we hit that high, drew our trend line, and it was a little scuff, but you can see the bar didn't close outside of it, and overall trend is just going to be down after hitting that high, so non-obvious buy, good trade. Our strat doesn't work all the time, but 80% I feel like it does. If you stick to it, then you're profitable. You're 80% win rate, which is absolutely insane, which is like you would barely notice you have any losses because your profit margin is almost 1.5 times larger than the stop out. Okay, never mind. We're still at one contract. I shouldn't be talking. This could be a cliche or not. We can go ahead and delete this guy. Probably delete that guy as well. This might be a short video because we're gonna go to bada beep bada boom to the mall. I think overall trend's just gonna be down. I can't see a trend with at least confirmed trend. It's just down, I guess. Guys, it's just unless it's up. No, yeah. Two-legged correction. Overall trend is up. No indication of a overall trend change. So let's give it a try, guys. Oh wow, it triggered us real quick. It was all the way down here in like a split second. Went up there. I don't think there was an overall trend change, but it most definitely could have been. Ooh, looks like it was, boys. But that was the cleanest two legs. I mean, that looks pretty. Pretty. And if this was the trend, then I guess this is a pretty good trade. But it doesn't look like we got it. Thing. So it looks like unless hold on. Yep, it looks like it was a buy. Let's see. Evidence. So we can put price action into our strategy here. We know we had the break of this trend. Now we're suspecting a new high. But now we have two legs down and we're debating on whether or not it's gonna be an overall trend change. But it could be, hey, you should probably buy because we're suspecting a new high after this trend. And that's going to be your extra evidence to say, all right, it's an overall downtrend, go for the buy. You know, another thing to say buy, possibly. Yeah, let's we'll think about it. At the break to the new high here. So maybe that was overall downtrend because we was just it corrected a lot, but we just thought, oh, it was a nice clean two-legged correction, but there's no indication of a reversal. Should we sell? Is this an overall downtrend or is it still an uptrend? I would say it's an uptrend, but there's not much support here. You just have the one leg, and another indication would be like, hey, you're suspecting a new high, just think about it. And so overall trend is down. We shouldn't be heading that direction. Let's go for a buy. So overall trend be down in that case, and we did just bounce off of there too, the top of the trend line. Alright, we got into a trade on the swing left first entry, second entry. I think these all are whoop-de-doo highs. And let's see. We'll just fast forward 30x. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. God dang it. That looks like a buy. It was a pretty significant high. This is why I just dropped this in here right now. Let's see. So let's add this swing in here. Data, nope, indicators. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna look for the one that's called swing. Okay. Make sure hours is loaded into here in the default. Okay. So we have swing there. Listed there. That's a lot of volume there. Let's see, is that volume there? I'm gonna go like this. It is. It's omega there. Let's call it a 20%er. It is a spike and it did get tested, sorta, not really. I'm gonna call that a 20%er actually. There could have been a trend, you could say. So you know, look, 3 tests right there. Unobvious buy. That way you would have got it in the scalp. That one was a pretty hard trend to see. But yeah, I think the thing that helped us at work, because we were like 6 straight. I keep hitting this wrong button. But yeah, we were on a roll at work. We did like 6 trades in a row, 7, 8 trades in a row. And the thing that we were doing differently was that we were just drawing trend line after trend line after trend line. You know, just looking for all of them. I think that's what helped us significantly. Maybe if we just keep doing that. I just bought a webcam, so hopefully we get some better video quality. Maybe over here on this side, and just because I'm always blurred out because of the window in the background. That's a nice confirmed test. 4 tests there now. Alright, we got a swing high first entry. And overall trend is down, so we technically should be going for a buy here. Oh, why is it not going? Okay. Let's see. Hope you're enjoying the music. Okay, overall trend is definitely down. Now it looks like we're creating a new trend here. Did it really confirm it yet? Both sides look like they only have 2 tests. On the downtrend. Okay, we're in the trade. Low is right there. Pretty good spot in regards to where everybody's stops are as well. So we get stopped out, they get stopped out. Which is not always the case. This might not. Oh, nice. Easy, easy, easy. The strap worked. Can't get in this guy. Made too many lows there. I don't know if I want to enter it now. I'll give it one more shot. If it makes another low or doesn't get us filled here. Yeah, if we do get stepped out, it'll be because it just made way too many lows, and we should really put that in strat. If it makes way too many, like, no longer looks like a smooth leg, then maybe we can enter if we do get stopped out here. Still didn't get a trade, but it looks like that was the correct option. But also done a swing high first entry, pushed it down a tiny bit, then second entry's right there, but I didn't like it. Still haven't hit that other end of the high. I don't know if it's still an overall downtrend, getting a little bit of support here now. But we'll say a downtrend still, because we still hit off of there. This is a trending day, we need a lot more confirmation than just 3 tests to give us that level. Levels. Usually on range days you need less tests, but you know. Say overall trend is down, let's go for a buy. Ooh, there was a trigger there. We wouldn't have gotten it because that's our signal bar. Same thing on the normal 950 ticket. Oh, we might be bouncing off of this guy, so it doesn't need to be confirmed here anymore because we got it confirmed here. Could be a sell here. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt that hey, we're actually testing this thing. So that's gonna be a cliche swing high first entry, second entry. Let's go for the sell, the non-obvious, or 3.5. Didn't get into it, unfortunately. It looks like it might be leaving without us. Yeah, there's too many swings in there. We could take this as a double top, but that's kind of pushing it. Yeah. Alright, we have a weird trend here, but it is a massive spike, so I don't know if I'm gonna... Everything in here is a spike. The trend itself is a spike. We could potentially draw it. Now the thing is that we broke out from the top. Is that going to be overall uptrend? We are still suspecting a new high after the break of this channel that we had going on here. We just had the break right here, so we're suspecting a new high. Let's go for a non-obvious buy. I don't know if we'll get this new high here because bottom was only tested a few times. Alright, we're in the trade. And that together. Our entry is a wick, but I like it. I like it. One might be our last trade, and oh, come on, baby, you can do it. Just a tiny bit up, tiny. Oh no, friend. Let's go 50x. Oh, shy. So it looks like a sell. If you draw this trend out, it looks like when you break the channel, you're suspecting a new low is here as well. So technically this was correct. This one didn't feel too correct, but we were suspecting a new low after this break. So technically, it did happen. Just that other one didn't really happen. Maybe there was a break already. It's such a big channel. Here we have a clear channel, break to a new low. Overall trend is up there because you break it from this side. It's not a cliche, because you bounce off the last thing was to bounce off this low end, and so overall trend is up. No indication of a reversal. Overall trend is up, so go for the sell. And second entry here, we'll just take it for the fun of it. Double top, first entry. This could be a significant low, but I don't think so. It was only tested twice. Alright, we're in the trade. Probably not a good thing. Might have a trend right here. Could be it, actually. Which means we're supposed to go for the sell here. Let's go for the sell here. It's 1 test, 2 test, 3 test. So let's go for non-obvious sell. Entry is right here. Exactly where it came up to. Will it come back for us? Did? Is that a good thing? Oh wait, but there's a spike in there. Shoot. Well, let's just see. There's 100 times speed. Alright, well, we got it. So I guess it was okay even with the spike drawing that trend line. So far, drawing this trend lines even with the spike seems to be okay. When is it not okay? Alright, we passed that low and we had a ton of resistance. I think overall trend might actually be down here. Let's see. Or is it still up because we hit that low? That'd be interesting, because then that would give us the indication that we can actually never sell on a downtrend. Which is interesting. Oh wait, I mean never... Wait, yeah, actually it makes sense, because here we sell and here we buy, so overall trend is in that direction. Meaning we're supposed to go for a sell, but if we treat it as overall downtrend, we're supposed to go for a buy. Okay, so yeah. Never mind what I had said. Okay, that looks like a test. Alright, we're in the trade. I think we tested there. We'll find out. Oh, this could be the step out. 20% or where this is actually incorrect. Oh, dang, we were right. Kinda weird that we actually took that as a swing high first entry. This could be a two-legged move here as well, and this is where it could actually get stepped out. But this will be actually, I think, the last trade. Yeah, we're just chilling on the bottom of this thing. It's 11 o'clock, by the way. Jesus, so we'll take this as a double top first entry. Now we gotta go for a buy here. Did break below that low though, but that's a pre-market low. Maybe it's a whoop-de-doo low. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt. That our strap might actually work here. Who knows? Will we hit our goal? Find out next time on Red. Alright, this will definitely be the last trade because it's 11. Win or loss. We're sticking to it. Stickity stick. So we'll just record it together. Yeah, you got it? Nice! Come on, get us in here. Get us in. Unfortunately, we couldn't get in. Setup is just, oh, swing high, first entry. Go for it. Good thing our entry signal bar is there, so we didn't get in the trade. Who knows what would have actually happened with the real data. So swing high, leg down, correction, leg down. And we're in the trade. Let's see. Shouldn't work out because this thing's on a massive downtrend. But will we? Actually, no. 30 times speed, 50 times speed. Oh gosh. Fireworks, 4th of July today, by the way. Oh gosh. Oh. And it doesn't work out. It's gonna be a definite 20%er because. Oh, wait a minute. Did you draw your trend line, Nick? Did you draw your trend line? I thought we had an uptrend. You should have sold. Alright, that's gonna be it. Should have drew that trend line.